Welcome, guys. So today's project is going to be a simple, easy upgrade to your P365 grip module, and that's going to be this guy right here, this extended Magwell flared Magwell edition or modification or upgrade. So this is sold by SIG. You can add this on to your grip module depending on, the various different grip modules they offer, but the more basic grip modules do not have a extended or flared Magwell, as you can see. Okay, these can be bought for relatively cheaply, and then you can add on parts and pieces as you need and upgrade later down the road. So this is all factory SIG OEM parts, and basically this thing just kind of like swings into place, and then there's a nut and bolt that you have to install, which is right here. Okay, very simple. As you can see, I already pushed the pin out. I already started the uninstall to install process. But like I said, this is for your SIG Freedom tool. It's a great addition. So let's go through the quick steps on how to do this. I'm not going to show it on camera because I have to defeat the AI overlords and make sure that I use certain compliant terminology, because in 2026, this is how we have to do firearm stuff on YouTube. So I'm not going to actually show you any of the install steps. I'm just going to be basically showing you a install review. Okay, so I showed you the pieces. It comes with 2 different length screws and a small shallow nut that you're going to insert into the frame. Okay, I'm going to try to show this step by step without actually me doing any motions, but you get the idea. I'm going to show you the pieces and then the final product and what I think. Some people want to know what this stuff looks like before you go ahead and buy. This is why I do the videos. It's not like I said, a real install video, but we can't do those no longer here on YouTube. So I just want to give you guys the experience of kind of owning this before you actually go ahead and buy it. Okay, so as you can see here, use a punch and a brass hammer of some sort and some kind of protection underneath your grip module and punch out the pin on your grip insert. Okay, once you do that, you can go ahead and remove that pin. Now you can go ahead and remove this. All right, so moving along, next we have the grip insert. Okay, and take that shallow nut that comes in the extended Magwell kit and insert it into the little pocket in here, and then align it with the hole on the very end of the insert. Okay, so you're gonna have to just push that in there and line up the hole. As you can see there, it's almost there. Okay, so not the greatest fit. It's super tight going in. I had to use the hammer and punch to push that in all the way into the pocket so I can see the threads. And it's still not perfect, but I'm pretty sure I can get it started now with the screw. So the next step is basically to insert this back into the grip mod, and then you can go ahead and attach your extended Magwell, flared Magwell. So they provide 2 screws here, so go ahead and figure out which one you need to use. For my application on this XL grip module, it looks like it's going to be the shorter screw. So I'm going to go ahead, insert this back in the grip mod, and attach my flared Magwell and secure it with the provided screw, okay? And I'll show you that all together and what it looks like. Okay, so here we have the finished product. We have it installed. I went ahead and you pivot this in. There's a little notch in the front of the grip mod where you pivot in the new extended magwell, okay? So once you pivot it in, I use the shorter screw, so be careful. Most likely you will have to use a shorter screw. The longer screw, I'm not sure what it's used for. Maybe it's for a different type of grip mod or insert, because there is a, basically a bottom end on this. So if you push through with the longer screw, you would pierce through the actual stop on the inside of the insert. So you don't want to like over penetrate and crack your grip insert, okay? So use a shorter screw. There it is, it's all installed. I have the pin back in there. Go ahead and install your pin with a brass hammer and then drive it in slowly with the proper size punch. That way you don't mark up your insert or your grip, okay? And there it is. I have an extended magwell on the grip mod. Now this is for all different size SIG Sauer, P365 grip mods. Works great. I'm just going to show it off camera. Insert a magazine. This is what it looks like with the magazine. Okay. Really flush fit. It does stick out a little bit, as you can see, but it definitely gives you that better ability. Gives you more grip area. You really, if you have big hands like me, you can really get a good purchase now, and kind of like there's a shelf there for your pinky, which is great. I love the feel of this now. So really great, simple upgrade, not too expensive at all. Like I said, it's for all P365 grip inserts. And I just wanted to show the install process because a lot of people like to see these things before they go ahead out and buy them and spend your hard-earned money on them. And that's why I provide videos like this. Just simple install videos. Like I said, I have to kind of like tippy-toe around how I do these benchtop install reviews, okay? And we make them YouTube safe. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and check out my next video coming up. It's going to be the install of a true precision threaded barrel on my fuse and a 365 XL size frame. So I have both of these. I bought these from True, actually from Optics Planet, and I'm going to go ahead and install each one of them. They're each going to be separate videos just to keep it, short and sweet for each one. But I'm going to show you the basic kind of rundown, what these look like, the install process, my thoughts, and the fit and finish kind of overall summary install review, like I said. But go ahead and check those out. I'll have those linked down below the video, and check out my other playlists as well. But I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.